Hi, I'm Paisley Madison from Healthy Mind Menu, and I'm really excited that you could be here to join us for this online course as we take you through the Healthy Mind Pyramid. Today, I'm joined with Wayne Teo, who's also the chairperson and co-founder of Healthy Mind Menu. Welcome.
Thank you. Healthy Mind Menu started in 2016 with a group of chefs and people from the industry getting together and talking very openly about the challenges they had in the industry. And unfortunately, it was a lot of challenges, and why the burnout, why the depression, and sadly the suicides, which seemed quite prevalent. And then it wasn't until those conversations developed to 2018 when Healthy Mind Menu was incorporated.
What is the vision for Healthy Mind Menu?
I guess our vision hasn't changed too much since the beginning. Which was, number one, always had to be industry-led and simple, easy-to-use tools. One of the things that we've also were able to reflect on, and since the 17th century, cafes were common places where people would meet. And you remember, 17th century, newspapers were a luxury. So cafes were what we determined at Healthy Mind Menu is the original social connector, where people would come to get news, interact, talk. Bars were more, a bit more lively and having a good time, but that conversations, what's going on. And sometimes, a lot of time, the newspaper would go to these cafes, and that's how the news broke out, and people would share the paper and read it. So nothing's changed since we've seen. So that, those cafes, those hospitality venues, people come together, obviously for what it offers, that ability to connect with, and sustain ourselves and do things that we like.
So what we recognize is that a healthy hospitality is a healthy community, that we're all connected. So we hope that you enjoy and get a lot of value out of this online course, but also that you start to explore some of the other resources that we have to offer, including the Back of House Front of Mind podcast. And you'll recognize that a lot of the initiatives, including the workshop, it's all about having conversations and normalizing mental health so that we can look out for each other, and also so that we can enjoy our careers and we can enjoy the work that we do and really love hospo.
Yeah, especially, it's part of everybody's life, hospitality.
Yeah.
It's either your first job or somebody you know's first job. Even, just the other day, I had a meeting with a bunch of corporate people, bankers, financiers, and it was a big group, and I quickly asked again, by the way, first job, maybe in uni or whatever, what was it? About 80% of the room said could talk about either worked in the bar, worked in delivering pizzas, etc. So everyone seems to be one of those industries that you can't escape.
So deep dive, there are lots of resources, and we hope that you enjoy exploring the Healthy Mind Menu, the Healthy Mind Pyramid online course, and that we get to meet each other through the WA and also Australian hospitality web. Enjoy.